You can see how to delete your WhatsApp profile account permanently from WhatsApp. So let's start the video lesson. Once we open WhatsApp on our phone, we need to click the three-dotted More option. And again, from the menu we need to click Settings tab. In the Settings screen, we need to enter Account section. And here, we have the Deleting WhatsApp Account tab. Once we click Delete Account tab, we are taken to this screen. Here is what will happen when we delete our account on WhatsApp. From all devices the account will be deleted. WhatsApp message history, along with groups, backup storage in Google, payments info with WhatsApp payments, and channels if created, will all be deleted permanently. And to continue the deleting process, we need to enter the country code and our phone number, and click the Delete Account button. In this screen, we need to select a reason for deleting the account. Again, confirm deleting the account and proceed. Finally, agree and continue to WhatsApp account deletion. The WhatsApp profile will not be visible to anyone, it will be like the person has never been on WhatsApp. I am hoping this video lesson will be helpful to you. You can subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification icon to get notified when more and more videos are uploaded to my channel.